The distance from the tip of a slice of pizza to the crust is 7 inches. Estimate the diameter. Use 3.14 for pi. Do not include the units in your answer. For me, the first thing I'm going to do is just draw a quick sketch. So here's my slice of pizza. And what I know about a slice of pizza is that it's actually part of a circle. And when someone is describing from the tip of the slice to the crust, that means from here up to the crust. And so what I'm recognizing is that they're actually describing the radius, and they're telling me that the radius is 7 inches. Now that I can recognize that, I can go ahead and work on finding the diameter. So the diameter is defined as twice the radius. And so I can substitute in what I know for the radius and then multiply it. So 2 times 7 is 14. So the correct answer here was 14 inches. If you chose the wrong answer of 3.5, you were on the right track, on the right path, in that you knew that there was a doubling relationship, but instead of taking the 7 and multiplying it by 2 to equal 14, you thought that the 7 was actually the whole diameter. And so it looks to me like you took it and you cut it in half, and you said then that the radius was half of 7, or 3.5. So like I said, you were on the right track, except you had the wrong measurements for which one goes all the way across the circle and which one is halfway across the circle, which one is the diameter and which one is the radius. So I have a couple of thoughts about this. So the first one is you might begin with a sketch. Sometimes when I draw a sketch, it increases my accuracy. So as soon as I drew this, I knew that I was looking at the radius and not the diameter, not the circumference. So I always begin with a sketch. And the second thing that might be going on here is you might want to practice some of these words and make sure that you really know their meanings and definitions, because it's hard to be accurate if you aren't quite sure what the different words mean. So that's another strategy that might help you do better on this kind of a problem.